Hi everyone, I'm Andrew with Lug-All. Did you know that you can customize your web series hoist to meet your exact needs? On today's episode, we are going to dive into some of the customizations you can make with your Lug-All web strap hoist. Hoists are available in 1 ton, 1.5 ton, and 2 ton models. The 1 ton model has a capacity of 2,000 pounds double line and 1,000 pounds single line. Our 1.5 ton model has a capacity of 3,000 pounds double line and 1,500 pounds single line. The 2 ton hoist has the highest capacity with 4,000 pounds double line and 2,000 pounds single line. We can customize the length of your web strap to your exact specs. Next, let's discuss some of the hook options we have that make these units custom. To start off, we'll look at our standard spring latch hooks. These will be the most common hooks that you'll see on our hoists. Another option would be our U models, which feature a swivel style locking latch. In addition, UB models are available with the locking latch and hot stick ring on the hook. Our HB models will come equipped with hot stick rings on both the hook and the latch itself, as you can see here. Lastly, we offer our small frame hoist with an eye bolt at the bottom to make hooking back to the hoist easier when wearing thick gloves. Now let's look at some options for your handle assemblies. We can customize handle lengths in 1-inch increments, with the minimum being 13 inches and the maximum being 40 inches. A hot stick ring can also be added to the end of your handle if required. Another option for your handle assembly is the addition of a captive wing nut. This option would eliminate the potential loss of a wing nut when either installing your handle or removing your handle. There are also a few more custom options we have that may not be well known. The oversized wind-up wheel, as you can see here, has hot stick cutouts and a larger size, making it easier to operate when wearing thick gloves. Non-removable pulley blocks are also an option that can be added. This replaces the spring clip on the outside with a locking pin so that the shaft cannot be removed during use. One final note, as a new standard feature, we are individually serializing our hoist during the production process. As you can see, Lug-All offers various ways to customize your hoist to help you get the job done right. So, if you're in the market for any of these custom options, reach out to your local sales representative for more information. Thank you and stay safe.